Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be creating this fast summer makeup look, and in this video we'll also be featuring this Lift and Illuminate primer from No7 that I reviewed for you guys in one of the haul, and I told you guys we're going to be put in the test in a makeup video, and this is the day. And we're also going to be trying on this No7, the full 360 ultra nourished panoramic lashes. This mascara is amazing. I'm using it today and give you such a beautiful volume without fake lashes. Alright, so first I'd like to say thank you so much for my subscribers. Love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back to support me. I appreciate all each one of you. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Paula. This is my channel. Here we do everything in beauty, lifestyle, makeup, hair, skincare, hair tool reviews, you name it. So a little bit of everything. If this is the kind of video that you like to watch, I enjoy you to subscribe and enjoy the family. Stay, don't forget to like. Yeah, so I also like to say thank you for No7 for being a partner for a long time. I love you guys. Thank you. So let's get into this video so this video don't get so long. Before we started trying the No7 lifting primer, I'm just going to add a little bit of this Radiance Vitamin C plus Daily Brightening Moisturizer with Vitamin C to my skin. Alright, so the first thing I did was add a little bit of this Daily Brightening Vitamin C cream from No7 to my skin. And now we're going to go in with the Lift and Illuminated primer, suitable for sensitive skin. So that's the consistency of the primer. Actually have like a pearl consistent. Actually it's very pretty. You can see, but have a kind of tiny bit of glow too. The skin looks very pretty with the primer. For best result, smooth an even layer over clean skin. Moisturize the skin, leave it until dry, use alone or on the foundation. Okay, so that's why I have that pretty little glow too, because you actually can use it alone, just if you just want a lifting and a little glow. I'm just waiting for dry a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with our foundation. So for tinted moisturizer, I'm gonna use Natural Skin Perfector with SPF 30 from Laura Mercier. And that tinted moisturizer I like to apply sometimes with my hands. So I finished adding the primer and the tinted moisturizer, and they look very glowy. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of concealer under my eye and my eyelid, where we're going to be applying some eyeshadow and creating a pretty yellow look. And for concealer, I forgot to mention, is this Flawless Fusion Longwear from Laura Mercier. So now it's going to blend it with my lips. And for powder, we're gonna be using this Lorac powder. This is PF4 in medium. So now that our face is all set, I'm going to add a little bit of color to my lips because it's annoying me looking like that. And this shade is so pretty. So I'm gonna use this Juvia's Place, the Zulu by Juvia's palette. This palette is so pretty. I almost don't use this palette because there's so many beautiful bright color there. And we're going to be using this yellow shade here that's stunning. And the one thing that I can tell you guys about this eyeshadow, they are very pigmented, so you just definitely want to slow layer them. Alright, so there we have it, our yellow base shade in place. So now I am gonna add some little bit of eyeliner. Remember, it's a summer look, so I don't want to be so heavy. And for mascara, I'm going to be using number 7 Full 36 Ultra Nourish Panoramic Mascara. And this mascara is amazing. You can see how big the lashes look. Pretty mascara. So for blush, we're gonna go in with this Kevak One Jewel Pop palette, and it's such a pretty palette. Set everything in place with my Prep and Prime Fix from MAC. And back. So that's all for this video. If you guys have any question about number 7 Lift and Luminate primer, please drop in the comment below, and the mascara too. And I'm gonna link below the link for both of this product and for number 7. And I see you guys next video. Thank you for watching.